So hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss most expected MCQs for the domain of biology. So today we are starting with human welfare. So our first question is, which immunization given to the patient in case of a snake bite? In a snake bite, what happened is basically you don't have that much time as a snake venom spreads so fast. So basically you have to give prepared antibody, anti-venom, which basically lower poison effect. And basically this antibody is given from outside and give immediate response. So you know what will be the answer? The answer will be passive immunization. Okay. So now what is second question? Second question is, which antibody is used for allergy? So going to our option, that is IgA. IgA is for colostrum. Okay. ठीक है. Then IgE is for allergy. Okay, that is the answer. Then IgM is the largest antibody. Okay, and IgG is basically cross placenta and it is the smallest antibodies. Okay, so our answer is IgE, that is antibody used for the allergy. So our third question is, which one of the following is not an autoimmune disease? Basically what happen in autoimmune disease is, it in this condition it basically your immune attacks cell. Okay, so in which one of the following this autoimmune disease can be seen? So it basically seen in rheumatoid arthritis. Okay, that is C. What happen in rheumatoid arthritis, it basically affect the affected area, mainly joints, in which there will be painful swelling and difficulty in the movement. Okay, so our fourth question is, which one of the following is rapid increase in fish production? So it is blue revolution. Okay, so our fifth question is, which one of the following is not a marine water fish? Okay, so that is catla. Okay, hilsa, sardine and pomfret, and also salmon. Okay, this one hilsa and this one, these are the fresh water. Okay, and catla is the marine water fish. Okay, so sixth question is assertion reason type. What it says is, assertion vaccination is preferably given in childhood, and the reason is child resistance to disease is weak. So when we see the assertion, vaccination is preferably given in childhood. Yes, it is basically given in childhood to protect children before they exposed to diseases, है ना? Because children are basically at higher risk for the infectious diseases, because their immune system yet to develop, and they have to fight infectious diseases. ठीक है? So that diseases like whooping cough can be serious and deadly for infants. So assertion is right and reason is also right, but what happen is both assertion and if we go to our option, assertion is correct and reason is incorrect. Okay, that will be wrong, because assertion is right, reason is right, but reason is not the complete explanation of assertion. Okay, so what will be the answer? The answer will be D. Both assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Okay, so seventh question is, which is a viral disease? Viral disease is basically caused by the virus, है ना? Caused by the virus. Okay, so first is malaria. Malaria is basically caused by parasite, and you know which parasite, like Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malaria, Plasmodium falciparum. which is basically the most serious one. ठीक है. So influenza is a viral disease. Okay. Diphtheria is the bacterial disease. Okay. And syphilis, it is also a bacterial disease. Okay. So our answer is influenza is a viral disease. Okay. 8th question, which one of the following is a protozoan disease? Okay. Cholera, if we talk about cholera, it is a bacterial disease. ठीक है. Tuberculosis, it is also a bacterial disease. Malaria, we have discussed earlier, that is a caused by the parasite. ठीक है. And AIDS is a viral disease. ठीक है. तो malaria we have discussed about, it is caused by the parasitic, and also it is a protozoan disease. ठीक है. That is the malaria is the answer. 9th question is, which one of the following is a bacterial disease? Okay. Which one of the following is a bacterial disease? As we have discussed earlier, syphilis is a bacterial disease. Herpes is a viral infectious disease. So we got the answer A. Syphilis is the bacterial disease. Our 10th question is, T lymphocyte is produced in. This is very easy, and the answer is bone marrow. Okay. It is basically T lymphocyte basically produced in bone marrow, and it helps B cells to kill antibody. Okay. So our 11th question is, Vidal test is a test for, that I think everyone knows, it is a test for typhoid, that is Salmonella typhi, and it is a bacterial disease. 12th question is, which one of the following is a hybrid of rice? ठीक है. तो hybrid of rice is Jaya and Ratna. Okay, you can remember like Jaya, Ratna is a hybrid of rice. Okay. Sonalika is a hybrid of wheat. Okay, Sonalika is a hybrid of wheat. Tishing native is a, now they are asking about Tishing native. Tishing native is also a hybrid of rice. Okay, hybrid of rice. Tishing native and IR8, they both are the hybrid of rice. Okay, and hybrid of wheat is Sonalika and Kalyan Sona. Okay. 14th question is, the name of a plant produced by hybridization of potato and tomato. So what will be the answer? The answer will be pomato. Okay, B, pomato is the right answer. Now I think everyone will know this first antibiotic, that is penicillin. Now 16th question, the process of breeding same species, that is inbreeding. If they have given different breed, the answer would be outbreeding. Okay. SCP, ठीक है. SCP is obtained from Methalotropus, Spirulina, Methalophyllus. This is all of these. D. Which one of the following is a chlorella? So it is, what is the answer? This is, I think, from the plant kingdom. 11th, plant kingdom. So that is B. Okay, algae is the right answer. 19th, most of antibiotics are produced from. Answer is bacteria, D. 20, which work as clot buster in the following? That is streptokinase. Lipase is basically remove what? Oily strains. ठीक है. So our answer is streptokinase. Okay. So we are done with our questions. Thank you for watching our video. Thanks a lot.